Hey everyone, in this video we will be discussing the muscles of the anterior fascicle compartment of the thigh, their origin, insertion and the nerve supply to them. So the first muscle from the anterior compartment of thigh is the sartorius muscle. This is basically an S-shaped muscle and it originates from the anterior superior iliac spine and it inserts into the upper medial surface of the shaft of the tibia, and the nerve supply to this muscle is from the femoral nerve. The next muscle is the iliacus muscle. This one is the iliacus muscle. It originates from the iliac fossa of hip bone, and with psoas muscles it inserts into the lesser trochanter of the femur, and it is also supplied by the femoral nerve. The next muscle is the psoas muscle. It originates from the transverse process bodies and intervertebral discs of the 12th thoracic and the lumbar vertebra, and it inserts with iliacus into the lesser trochanter of the femur. And psoas muscle is the only muscle in the anterior compartment of the thigh that is supplied by the lumbar plexus. Its nerve supplies from the lumbar plexus, and the rest of all the muscles are supplied from by the femoral nerve. Okay, the next muscle is the pectineus muscle. It originates from the superior ramus of the pubis and it inserts into the upper end of the linea aspera of the shaft of the femur, and the nerve supply to this muscle is also from the femoral nerve. The next muscles are the quadriceps femoris muscle, and it include rectus femoris, vastus lateralis, vastus medialis and vastus intermedius. First we will see the rectus femoris muscle. It originates from the anterior inferior iliac spine, and it inserts into the quadricep tendon and tendon into patella, and then via ligamentum patellae into the tubercle of tibia, and this is also supplied by the femoral nerve. The next is the vastus lateralis. It originates from the upper end of the shaft of the femur and it inserts into the quadricep tendon into patella, and it is also supplied by the femoral nerve. The next one is the vastus medialis. It originates from the upper end and shaft of the femur, and it also inserts into the quadricep tendon into patella, and then via ligamentum patellae into the tubercle of tibia, and this is also supplied by the femoral nerve. The last muscle from this compartment is the vastus intermedius. It also originates from the anterior and the lateral surfaces of the shaft of the femur, and it inserts into the quadricep tendon into patella, then via ligamentum patellae into the tubercle of tibia. So the all muscles are supplied from the femoral nerve. Only one muscle, that was the psoas muscle, is supplied from the lumbar plexus. So here in this diagram we can see the quadricep muscles. This one is the rectus femoris muscle, and under the rectus femoris muscle vastus intermedius is present. This one is the vastus medialis, which is medially present, and this one is the vastus lateralis, which is laterally present. So this was all about the muscles of the anterior fascicle compartment of the thigh. Don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. Thank you.